It's your boy Felix, and welcome to a new series on this channel. And on this series, I will be analyzing 5 interesting and amazing cryptocurrencies that I feel might make you guys a lot of money. So if you like what you watch, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you guys in the chat.
So the first crypto Malays is Etherum, and I'll be analyzing Etherum against the US dollars. So without further ado, let's jump right into the chart. Let's see what's happening. The first thing I'll always do whenever I'm analyzing an asset is to go to the highest time frame, because on this highest time frame it gives the overall perspective or the overall direction of the market. And you know, the market has just 3 direction or 3 phases. You can see the market. Either the market is in an uptrend, the market is in a downtrend, or the market is moving within a range, so it's consolidating. So for an uptrend, if the market is making higher highs, higher lows, then you're in an uptrend. If the market is making lower lows, lower highs, then you're in a downtrend. So you can see the market. There's the chart of the Ethereum USD, and I'm on a monthly time frame. So you can see there's a high. The market has been making since 2017. The market has been making higher highs and higher lows. There's a high. There's a high. This high is higher than this high. This high is higher than this high. So it's higher highs, higher highs, and there's a low. There's a low. This low is higher than this low. There's a low also higher than this low. So the market is making higher highs, higher lows, which it's safe to say the market is in an uptrend and not a downtrend. So an uptrend makes higher high and higher lows. So using the principles of the Elliott wave, whenever you have a trending market, because whenever you have an uptrend, a downtrend, that is a trending market. Whenever you have a trending market, the market always unfolds in 5 waves. So let's say the market plans on moving from point A to point B. So let's say this is point A and this is point B. The market won't just move straight up to this level. It will move in waves, like in a wavy form. So to go up, down, up, down, up. So from the Elliott wave, the market unfolds in 5 wave form. So Elliott wave, the market unfolds in 5 wave pattern. So whenever you have a trend, it unfolds in a 5 wave pattern. So if it's an uptrend, it will unfold in a 5 wave pattern. In a downtrend, it will unfold in a 5 wave pattern, except in a ranging market. So you only use Elliott wave in a trending market. So I can get my drawing so I can easily see that this is the first wave, the second, the third wave. Put it on there. The 4th wave, and this is the 5th wave. So at the end of the 5 wave pattern, so let's do the 5 wave pattern. There are 2 possibilities. Either you have a retracement, like A, B, C. So at the end of this 5 wave pattern, there'll be a retracement and then a continuation of the previous trend. Or you have a reversal, which will lead to a formation of a new trend entirely. And I tell you, a trend is the 5 wave patterns in the 5 wave pattern. So this is a new trend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 2 possibilities. So at the end of the 5 wave trending market, 2 things happens. Either you get a retracement or you get a reversal. A retracement is just like a stop, like a short pause in the market. So you have an uptrend and the market took a short pause and continued its direction. So a retracement will always lead to a break of structure and to move in the direction of the previous trend. So get drawing to. So for retracement, this A, B, C, the market will go up, continuation of the previous trend, and to lead to a break of structure. So if this was a previous trend and you had a retracement, which is a three-wave pattern, a retracement is also a three-wave pattern, A, B, C. At the end of this C wave, what you have next will be a move upward in the direction of the previous trend. So this was the previous trend. Or vice versa for a reversal. For a reversal, what you have instead is at the end of this trend, there'll be a formation of a new trend entirely that consists of a five-wave pattern, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will eventually lead to the break of this structure downwards. So if the market is within this range, you can say, okay, it could be either be a reversal or a retracement. But as soon as the market breaks this structure, then definitely it's a reversal. Similarly, for a retracement, once the market breaks this structure, it's now safe to say that you're not in a retracement. We can use the same idea to analyze the Etherum USD. So what we have right now, what we have here is we've completed the five-wave pattern, which is the trending market in direction of the uptrend. So what happens next are two possibilities, which could either be a retracement or a reversal. So if this is a retracement, what we should expect will be this, a three-wave pattern, which will be A, B, and C. And at the end of this C wave, which is a five-wave pattern, what's going to happen next will be a massive bullish move that will lead to the break of this structure. On the other hand, if this was a reversal, what you should have is a five-wave pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that will lead to the break of this structure. So once this happens, that's when you know that, oh, the market has already crashed. Now we have stories about, oh, the market, Etherum has crashed, and a lot of people have lost the money from trading the Etherum. That's what usually happens. So once you have the five-wave pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that will lead to the break of structure. So what we have now is a reversal. But what you should know is that this wave here currently, if this was supposed to be a reversal, it means that we're on the third wave. On the third wave, which is a motive wave in the direction of the trend, is a five-wave pattern. Similarly, this is an A, B, C. If this was a retracement, we would be on the C wave, which is a five-wave pattern. Like I told you in my previous videos, in case you haven't watched my videos on Elliott wave, the A wave is always the A wave could either be a three-wave pattern or a five-wave pattern. The B wave is always a three-wave pattern, and the C wave is always a five-wave pattern. So meaning, if the C wave is always a five-wave pattern, then what to expect down here is a five-wave pattern. So at the end of this five-wave pattern, the only difference between if this is going to be a reversal is what happens next. If this is going to be a reversal, what comes next is a short corrective fourth wave that is going to come down here and gain a form of resistance around this area of supply, or you can say area of resistance down here. The only difference between the reversal and the retracement in this scenario is that if this is a reversal, we will currently be at the end of this five-wave pattern, will be in a corrective fourth wave, which is an ABC. So corrective wave is a three-wave pattern, and it will get a form of resistance around this area of supply. And once it gets to this level, what to expect next is a resistance that will lead to a bearish move downwards that may probably lead to the break of the structure. So it might test or break of the structure. Basically, the difference between what to expect in this scenario for the reversal and the retracement is that for the reversal, if this is a reversal, we will be at the end of this five-wave pattern, we will be in a corrective wave, which is a three-wave pattern that will get a form of resistance around this area of supply, this region down here, and then there will be a massive bearish move that will probably lead to the break of this structure. Be a massive bearish move so this is the massive fifth bearish wave, which is the motive wave. On the other hand, for a retracement, if we are to treat this as a retracement, what's going to happen is that at the end of this retracement, which is the A, B, C, the C is the 5-wave pattern that will, at the end of this 5-wave pattern, there will be a massive buying pressure that will lead to the break of this structure. So, a break of this structure. For a reversal will lead to the break of this structure. So what we can do right now is to analyze this wave down here. I could call it wave 3 or wave C. Since we don't have enough information, because Ethereum doesn't have enough back history to give us more information, we can work with what we have down here. So we don't have to play safe. At the end of this 5-wave pattern, I might take a buy trade with a target level around this region. So before we come to that, I'm going to treat this market as a retracement for now, but you get the idea. So if I get this as a retracement, is an A, B, C. I'm to expect a 5-wave pattern around this region. So I can't really say much more information. I can't really say any information on the monthly time frame. So in order to get more information about what's happening down here, I'm going to scale down to the weekly time frame to know what's happening. So I can, from just me looking at it, I could see the 5-wave pattern on this structure down here. So if I get my drawing tool, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So to go down to the daily time frame to be very sure about what I counted, so which is this here, this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So guys, look at what happened at the end of this 5-wave pattern. So this is the 5-wave pattern. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What came next was what? A massive buying pressure. As you can see, the market showed sign of strength in terms of an uptrend, see higher highs and higher lows. You can see what happens. So I told you, at the end of this 5-wave pattern, the market showed sign of strength. So next thing to know what's going to happen on a short time frame. So the market showed sign of strength. So in analyzing this thing right here, this what's happening down here, I can also draw a 5-wave pattern. So with the aid of my trend channel, I can get this one. So this is a first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and the 5th wave. So right now, what I'll be looking for will be I'm looking for buying signals here, but I won't make any buy trade until the market retests this level. So I'm going to treat it as a break and retest strategy. So the market came above, broke through, and it's going to retest here. And at this level, this is where I'm going to buy. So I hope for the market. I'm hoping the market gets to this level, and I'm going to take a buy trade and put my stop loss down here. So at this level, this is where I'm going to buy. I'm going to take a buy trade. So this is the fourth wave. We can still go down and analyze what's happening down here. The fourth wave is an ABC pattern. So this is the A, the B, and the C. So right now, at the end of the C wave, this C wave, which is a minor bearish wave, the market is going to go down to as low as this level, which is at 1256.86. I will take a buy trade, and my profit target, I'll have to go up to the highest time, to the higher time frame. Profit target, so will be at this level. The first one will be at this level. But to be conservative and not to be too greedy, I can make the first target at this level, which will be here. The second target will be at this level. And before I get to this level, which is the third profit target, I have to be sure that this market is a retracement and that will lead to a continuation and not a reversal. Because if it's a retracement, it's going to lead to break of structure. But if this market is what I'm seeing down here is a reversal, it's going to like gain a resistance. So this market is going to get a bullish move that will get a form of resistance around this level, and then there will be a reversal that will lead to the break of this structure, of the whole structure, which will be down here. So right now I'm going to treat this market as a retracement, but at the same time I'm still going to be very conservative about my profit target levels, so that I don't end up making losses in the market, so I can end up securing any profit I get in this market, from this market. So thank you guys for watching these. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys on the next crypto on my list. Thank you very much.